Let's do exercise. This is a steady bike. So guys, I will show you how to use it. Oh no! Ouch! So guys, you're doing like this lang, and you wanna go like so fast, and you can do this. You want to be you can do that, and also you can stand up. Hello guys, welcome to my fitness fit.
Fitness trainer.
Yeah, I want to be a to be. So guys, this is how you do it. And if you want to run, and go fast like this, you do it. And I hope you like it, guys. Enjoy watching. Increase your leg like this. Then do it again. Maybe you're doing like turning in another side or like this. Vice versa. Aray ko. Let your pelvis go out. Go out. Okay guys, let's move on to the another exercise. I will show you. Yeah. Let's go here. Say that. See that. Okay. I will show you how to use this. Okay. But let's do it properly, guys. You cannot see me anymore. Hello. Welcome to this exercise. You have to pull it up, down. Oh, I'm not so that. Not heavy anymore, guys. Okay. Stop. For a while, stop. I count 1 to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Oh my God. Masakit sa braso siya. Okay, it's video on the show. Guys, we have also here. So this one, I will show you how to use it.
10,
Okay?
11.
I need to turn the camera. Oh! What is happening?
I did 11 of these.
Dami ah. This one, guys, is Aray ko. Aray. It's mats. Oh! Oh! Para sa braso, sa ano guys. Sa arm. Oh my God.
Ah!
Aray. Kaya
Let's
guys.
go home na, Papa.
Yeah. Go home, rest for a while instead. So tired. Oh. Can I do this so that it's very simple? Like that. You can do it like this. Okay, ikaw yung taga ganon. Hindi kaya. Oh no. Oh. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Tama na, tama na. Baka madiretso ka. Oh. Last but not the least. Your favorite. Last na to ah. Then go home na tayo. This is our last. Today. Oh, I love this. You like this? You like that? Okay, nice. Balance. I think 9:30. Sabi mo.
Yo!
Last one. Done na ako. 'Di ba? Naubos ko na lahat. I will show you how to.
Mine is sweating and the sweat dripped to the ground.
Yeah, nice. Hi guys, this is how to do.
Let's go now before I cut the phone.
Huh?
Let's go now before I cut the phone.
Ano?
Let's go now before I cut the phone.
What's that? Last one. Ano ba to? Oh my God, my sweat. Oh, it's not the rain. It's your pawis. Pawis. Pawis mo yan. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Hope you like the exercise.